what kind of involvement with this project is there from the mainframe community? At the same time, if you can talk about what is the OpenTelemetry's presence within Open Mainframe community. So I'm looking at two different things from two different perspectives.
I want to call out, we are just starting to work together with the community, with the OpenTelemetry open source community, but we made already some progress. So in the last year, we have been seeing the support of the OpenTelemetry collector being supported on Linux on S390X. So this is the Linux on the mainframe operating system from the open source perspective. So we have support there. And then throughout the last year, in fact, we also started to work with the Open Mainframe project. We started to work with the OpenTelemetry community to establish this special interest group, also this work group that is now looking as part of the OpenTelemetry open source community at the mainframe. So we have a work group that is established like other work groups in the OpenTelemetry open source community, and that is taking care of, different activities around OpenTelemetry support for the platform. And so that's one aspect. The other aspect, and this is just news, maybe just to also call that out, there was recently a survey by the OpenTelemetry community of how to better enable the general starting with OpenTelemetry for users. And they included in this survey also the mainframe. And the good thing is that there was also, some of these responders, they also expressed an interest in information about or in better materials of how to work with OpenTelemetry on the mainframe. It's a small portion, but it shows the growing interest in this. So this one side, we have this from, customers, from users that are on the mainframe. This is the other side where we get this feedback.